Hey guys, Brian Schroeder here with Buyers Club. I got Brad Evans with Evans Flooring here. Brad, you're passionate about flooring, aren't you?
I really am.
Isn't that's like a crazy thing to be passionate about?
It's the only thing I've ever been good at my entire life. I've sucked at everything, sports, academics, everything.
Well, you're awesome at
I
flooring.
am.
That's awesome. That's all. And you're a real estate investor,
I am.
which is really cool because our members are real estate investors. So I think that's really cool that you are an investor, so you understand our members.
Yeah.
So kind of tell our members a little bit about what kind of flooring you do.
All right. So we do a lot of refinishing. So that's about 50% of our revenue is refinishing of existing homes. As most
Hardwood floors.
hardwood floors.
Yep. Yep.
As far as most of you guys know that most of the houses in St. Louis have original hardwood floors. So we
Yeah.
can bring those back to life for you. More times than I can count, we've had people that came to me and they said, my contractor said these floors can't be saved.
Yep.
We got to overlay them with laminate or vinyl plank or something like that. And we can make those floors look beautiful again. There's probably been about 2 in the last few years that I was like, these aren't worth saving.
Yeah.
So
Well, that's awesome. If that's all it's been. When you're, I see a lot of hardwood floors. They got pea stains, and sometimes there's even places cut out or whatever.
Yeah.
So you're able to take care of that.
we can repair that. We can, if there's like stains from plants or pet stains, sometimes you can mask those by going a little bit darker stain, or you could cut those boards out and replace it. So
Gotcha. All right. So you do refinishing of hardwood floors. You do some installation of hardwood floors, new hardwood floors?
Yep. So we do a lot of new installation of hardwood engineered. We also install vinyl plank. We also supply a lot of vinyl plank. So we have a warehouse that's just filled with all different sorts of vinyl plank. You have about 25 different colors to choose from, 3 different collections. You have a vinyl that fits every budget. So if you have something that you're like, hey, I'm really on a tight budget on this one, we can get you a good product that fits that.
All right. So pretty much what you do is new installation of hardwood floors, refinish hardwood floors, sell LVP, or sell and install LVP.
Yep.
That's basically your product lines.
Exactly. We don't really do carpet. We don't touch tile.
Okay.
We stick to our niche.
Yep.
And we just stay within that.
Awesome. Let's talk about price points a little bit. How does new LVP compare to refinishing a hardwood floor?
It's a good question. So a lot of times that vinyl plank, the material alone is going to be around about what a full refinishing job's going to cost.
Okay.
All right. So if you look at it and you're like, this job has the sanding, the staining, the polyurethane, everything, including material and labor included, is going to be about the same as what it costs to just purchase vinyl plank. Okay. Hardwood floor retains more equity in your home than vinyl plank does.
Okay.
Vinyl plank is a lot easier. It's less downtime. So, you don't have to be out of the house for 3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
You can just click it in, usually get it done in about a day and just get the project back on the road.
That does make sense. Some investors are always in a hurry, sometimes an investor will just do LVP just because they can get it done faster.
Get it done faster and they don't have the downtime. So you might be able to, if we're refinishing in a house, you can't have the electrician, the drywall guy, no one else can be in the house.
Yeah.
But if you're doing vinyl plank, the electrician can still be working over there, or somebody else can be doing something in there as well.
Yeah. Well said. That's awesome. What would you say? You're the floor guy here and you're an investor. Let's say you got a house and you're a South County, Northern Jefferson County guy, right? But you do the whole metro area.
Yeah.
But you got a South County or maybe an Afton type house that's got great hardwood floors in. They just need to be refinished. Would you refinish those floors or would you put LVP over it?
Never. It's in my industry, or like me being a hardwood floor guy for 22 years, it's blasphemy to overlay.
Is it?
Yes.
LVP's like in these days though, isn't it?
It's in, but it's a disposable floor. Okay. So when LVP has stood its test of time, so the color's no longer in style, or someone goes above and beyond on damaging the floor, which happens with tenants. You have to replace it. And instead of a hardwood floor, you can go in there and refinish it and go a different color. You can make it look brand new again because of damage or whatever the case may be. So
Very cool, man.
Yeah.
I like it. I see so many people doing LVP these days, and I even covering up a lot of hardwood floors. So I'm just curious your thoughts on that.
Yeah, the thing about it is LVP has its good has applications for a lot of different things,
Yeah,
and for investors it makes sense,
yeah,
you know. But if you want to retain the equity in your home
yeah.
and care about the equity in your home, hardwood floor is where it's at.
Gotcha. All right, man. Hey,
Cool.
thanks for coming in and
Yeah.
talking to us. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hmm.
All right.